which is going to be entertaining because we've never tried this before.
Oh, I don't know about the audience. I'm going to be feeling sick, I think.
Oh, that was incredible. Up there, painting number 4. Right guys, here we are on Wednesday, which of course means it's live stream day, and we've got a very special one coming up. But look, that lovely sunshine is gone. It's grey and rainy and miserable. But don't worry, we'll add a bit of colour to the day.
Jeez. It's like a fridge.
It is, mate. It is like a fridge. If anyone wants me, I'm going to literally be sat 2 inches from that all day long. Right then, so we've got quite a few interesting jobs to have to get done today. Now, in order to get the barrel, which we're going to be using on the live stream, in order to get that in, we've got to get a client's painting out, which I'm hopeful is dry enough to move. So we need to get some lighting on. We need to get the pod front rolled up, and we need to get that painting out. Then we need to start thinking about how to get the barrel in. So there's quite a bit of pulling things out and putting things in and reorganising to do. So that's what we're going to have a crack at now. Go for throttle up. It works. Right, I gotta go find some screws. So what we're doing now, having got the barrel set up and rotated so it's level axis Y, axis X, and that way, let's call that Z. And we've got the whole barrel level as well. So we come to mounting the cameras, well, camera, I should say, because we're putting an additional camera on it, which is going to be entertaining because we've never tried this before. Screws. But we are going to try and see if we can get that stuck on. Let's just see what screws I've got here. Maybe that will do. Let's see. Well, I'll have to come back for some others, won't I? So yes, it's getting the camera mounted now. So the camera's going to spin round with the actual barrel on it. And we're going to be using my wireless chest cam system to see if we can get that to rotate round and broadcast a picture as it's rotating. Where else can you find that? You can't. Okay, happy with that?
Well, I'll tell you in a minute.
That's the rig, man.
So the question is how much of that is going to be in your way.
Oh, none of it.
So I could,
None of it.
if I go there, either do, either way if you want to do that.
No, it won't be in the way.
But if at that won't be in the way. I mean, one click forward, how's that?
And then we'll have a look what the shot looks like.
Yeah, well, we'll do that now.
Barrel cam. Who'd have thought we'd ever have a barrel cam, eh?
Right, let's...
It's a winner! It's going round. Barrel cam. Right, buddy. What do you
batteries in?
That's all right.
I reckon
That's
that's
all right,
all
isn't
right.
it? So that's overhead cam sorted.
So I'm going to do a quick zoom on overhead.
Yeah, do a zoom. Yeah, look at that. We can get right in on there, mate. Nice.
I think that's topped out there. That's
Yeah.
the very highest we can go.
Okay. So we zoom back
Wait
out
for it to
again.
focus. Come on, focus.
Oh,
No, not
it's
quite.
because there's nothing on it to
Yeah.
look at.
There it is.
There
There's
it
the
is. That's
focus.
it. That's in focus now.
And now I'll zoom back out.
Yeah. Okay.
And we'll go down a touch.
Beautiful.
There we are.
And that is the adjustment we've now done on the overhead cam. So that's what you've just seen there. Now, unbelievably, we've actually done it. We're going to check this out. So not only is this the world's only rotating barrel, it's now got a barrel cam on it, wirelessly feeding the stream. So shall I throttle up and switch her on, mate?
Well, let's switch the camera on first.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get the signal.
Right, camera is now on.
Everybody who watches the live stream, you're going to know that this is the problem. I hear that doodling, it means that I've got a connection to it, but it's whether or not it wants to wake itself up.
Well,
the
let's
second
see.
we normally put this camera on,
Yeah.
it knocks out everything.
Yeah.
So, here we go. Chest cam, deactivate, activate.
Hey, we got it.
It's there.
We got it.
Okay.
Right, mate, you call it.
Let's rotate. Rotate. Oh, my life. Oh, I don't know about the audience. I'm going to be feeling sick, I think. My life.
We did it.
So, the only thing that reminds me of is Elon Musk and a spaceship going up into orbit.
Dude.
Oh,
Oh, we've lost
signal's
it.
gone.
The eagle has crashed.
Okay, hang on then.
All right, I'm gonna keep rotating it.
No, I've lost it. I'm going to pull the Lindy.
Okay, let's see. See, this is what always happens on the live stream.
Full live stream.
It
What happens,
always,
guys?
everything. It just dies, and we don't know why. Oh, the joys of technology. Oh, is this like... No! It's not happy, is it?
It's not.
Go on, try again. Ah!
Not
Rats.
recognising it.
Oh, everything's
we've lost
crashed.
this one as well.
We've lost it all.
Yeah, OBS has now crashed, and this is what happens to me at about 7:28 on a live stream Wednesday evening. That is crashed. Go and walk in front of the barrel.
Oh, what's...
USB
USB
device
not recognised. Right, so Windows is having a paddy. Thanks, Bill Gates.
So corner cam deactivate. Corner cam
No, not working. I'll go and stand in front of corner cam.
activate. No.
Nothing.
So my only option is
Reboot.
and as you can see, it's not responding.
Great. Thumbs down to Windows, but thumbs up to us. If you're enjoying this video, guys, give us a thumbs up. Thumbs up will help this poor man here. Doo, 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 doo.
So,
But it all works, dude. It all works.
test. Flick it over too fast.
Okay, here we go.
Switch. No.
Oh, this one, yeah.
That one.
Ready?
Flick it over, yeah, one. Now wind it up. Oh! Mission Control, this is SpaceX, over.
Elon Musk needs to be tuning in tonight.
He does.
Oh, that is... Yeah.
See, that's how you put your rocket cams on.
Hey! So guys, you've seen the setup. Have you seen anyone else anywhere using 4 cameras to do a live stream? If you have, leave us a comment down below. Right guys, let me show you what 25 grand looks like. And all this, don't forget, is just so I can paint and do live streaming with. Well, there's the pod itself, which is a lot of money. A seal containment pod, made especially for the building. So we've got state-of-the-art PC, and we've got wireless video sender, quality microphone for AD to talk. We've got the Stream Deck for video switching, 2 monitors, obviously the chair, my rebreathing apparatus, and we've got, let's count, camera 1, camera 2 on the overhead, camera 3 in the corner, and this, which is normally on my chest cam, which was repurposed for tonight's live stream. It's got a 4K camera there. Now this particular one, we're also using the barrel, which is a custom made item that AG Designer built at great expense. This uses a hog roasting device, which is made into this barrel, plus more wireless video equipment, plus a laptop, plus the paints, plus the lighting, plus the signage, plus the floor, which is a floor covering, which has to be replaced every so often, plus all the other stuff. And that, guys, is 25 grand of investment just to paint, just to be able to paint, and to be able to bring you a live stream every week. Right guys, that's the live stream done. Very late here now, very tired. That was an incredible one. I'll pop a link to it in the corner of the screen. But we were using our barrel machine, which is the only one in the world. Go check it out. It's gone on for quite a while, but I gotta tell you, that was an amazing success. Now, at nearly 10 o'clock at night, I'm gonna put the lights off and we're gonna get out of here. If you're new here and like what we do, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Hey, good morning. It's now Friday. I'm just about to go and pick AD up, and we're on our way to Shepherd's Bush in London. One of 2 stops today. First stop is to go to a business and a client who's commissioned 2 paintings and buying 2 that are already done. We're going to pop those into the staff canteen and restaurant facilities. So better get on the road and get there as soon as possible, really. Very successful morning. We put 3 pieces into this client's business restaurant, and now we've just arrived at the former television centre in Wood Lane in London. So we are somewhere up there, painting number 4. Okay, so it's nearly 7 o'clock on a Friday. We're almost back home. Very, very successful day. We've just been chilling to a bit of Bowie on the way back, haven't we, mate?
Yes, we have.
And we've done 4 paintings across 2 locations, but most importantly, we've got one very happy client.
Come back! Save yourself!
I think that's come out even better than I thought it would.